Today we're here at the 8th Annual Varsity Ford Charity Car Show for Mott Children's Hospital, combined with the Jackson Road Cruise. Got a great turnout, lots of cars out here, the little parking lot's full. We've got cars from the 20s all the way up to 2015 models. Everything here today, any proceeds from food sales, from beverage sales, 50-50, everything goes right to Mott's.
Mott's Children's Hospital is a great one. I truly support it.
I would like to thank Varsity for it. It's a good thing for Ann Arbor.
I like it because every year there's more and more cars.
I just love the nostalgia.
Varsity does a great job for the community.
I've come to these shows for the last 10 years. I've always liked the Varsity Ford show. Keep putting on a show, we enjoy having it.